Lake Michigan. Trying to get a salmon. Had one on the downrigger, came off right before I grabbed the rod.
Oh, we're running 80 here for a little bit. Bring her back up.
We got Jason, my brother-in-law, on his first salmon. I'm on the short rod on the Dipsy Diver.
You should see the grin on his face.
Here he comes. Okay, hold your rod up. No, not yet. Okay, let it go down. When I get that net underneath him, let the rod down so he goes back into it. All right, let it down. Shoot. Need two hands, can't camera and fish. Lesson learned. No videotaping and netting.
Big old king salmon, baby.
Yeah. Go.
Nice right here in my side pocket.
Here, toss him down in there. Get his gills. Just got a third one on today. Got one on a J-plug, one on a spoon, or one on a fly, and now I think our third one's on a spoon, so they're biting a little bit of everything.
Hey Jason, we got a fish on.
Oh no, maybe it's a clam, I don't know. Under. Woo! Monster! You recording?
Make good breakfast. Make a good snack, I wouldn't call them breakfast.
I think he's been on a while, he's stiff. Literally dead. And pooping.
Dead and pooping?
Wow. About 5 or 10 minutes into this fight. We're at the mono, the leader. Coming up soon.
Go on in and get the prop.
Good. Bring him to me. Yeah.
Oh! Alright!
Ow!
King?
Oh, yeah. hold it sideways. It'll be sideways on the TV.
Oh.